The moment you hear that sound, you know it's that time of the year again. Yes, it was just September yesterday, and now it's December already. Now, I'm going to state a very unpopular opinion. Although I am voluntarily exposing myself to the risk of electrocution by wearing this on my head, I am not very crazy about Christmas. I like it. I really like Christmas. It's very nice and it makes at least the first part of the winter nice. It's cold and dark, but there are bright lights, people are in a good mood, there's Christmas movies. So there's a lot going on and there's something to look forward to. The other part of the winter is just cold and dark. Oh yeah, and it sucks. But with that said, I see that I still don't have the same passion for Christmas that some other people do. I see people being genuinely happy and excited about it, and I wish I was the same, but I just don't feel it. I mean, I did when I was a child. Back when I believed in Santa Claus, it was magical. And I actually got mad at my parents because one year they were getting sloppy, and that's how I discovered that Santa... Well, I'm not going to finish this sentence just in case we have some young viewers around here. However, as I got older, I started feeling that the whole thing got a bit worn out. Yes, seeing Home Alone is funny every time you see it. It's nice decorating the Christmas tree every year the same way and going through the same procedures. Yes, it's nice, but not really more than that. And that makes it even worse because I'd like it to be great. There's this anticipation all month long. It all builds up to that evening and then it's just nice. Or at least so I thought, and then came the year 2020. As you maybe know, I currently live in Austria and my family is in Croatia. So for holidays I go back to my hometown, I visit my parents and spend Christmas with them and my sisters and family. But this year, for the first time in my 26 years of life, I'm not going to spend Christmas with my family because of the whole... We don't have to mention it. I mean, it's not all such a big deal. The most important thing is health and that everyone is safe. And also, I'm going to spend Christmas with my girlfriend now, which is also a wonderful thing and something that I can't take for granted. But I'm sad because I know how much my parents miss me and it was a difficult year for them also with some other issues. And now they don't even get to see me on Christmas. And I guess that I'm also starting to miss them a little bit. Also, I know that I'm not the only one. Many people living abroad are in the same situation. So if some of you are watching this, and of course, with all the restrictions and limitations, everyone's family gatherings are probably going to be smaller with less guests and less family members. Also in my hometown, we love to go out clubbing on Christmas Eve because everyone is there and you get to see so many people you know from high school and childhood, everyone in a good mood. So now that's probably not happening either. I don't know. Like I said, it's always the same thing. It's nothing special. So it's not like missing out on much, but guess when it's taken away, it is kind of a bummer. So in every Christmas movie, there's this grumpy character who doesn't care about it all, but then discovers the true meaning of Christmas. And I feel a little bit like that. I guess there is something special about the same thing every year. Seeing the same people, watching these movies, listening to the songs you've known for years, the decorations your family bought way back when you were a kid or even before, those are all rituals. And in this ever-changing world with new technology, new movements, new ideas, new absurdities every year, it's not bad to have something once a year where you know what to expect. You know what's going to happen and what's going to be there. It just gives you a certain feeling of comfort and safety. So if you are with your family on Christmas this year, appreciate it. Know that it's a privilege, something that I surely wasn't aware of. Enjoy it because, as this year has shown us, nothing is for granted. And if you aren't, remember this feeling. The biggest problem of the human psyche is that we get used to things very quickly. When we have it good, we get spoiled. So all of this will go away, and sooner or later we'll go back to living normal lives. But when that happens, and hopefully when you're celebrating Christmas with your family next year, remember this year and remember this feeling. And I'm sure that that Christmas will feel as magical as it has ever been. At least, that's what I'll try to do. Thank you for watching. I love you very much, and Merry Christmas. Look, it even plays a song. Okay, now it's not stopping. How do you turn it off?